This dance is called Country Touch. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improver stroke intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a full triple turn to the right. So you're going to make half a turn right as you step that right forward, step the left beside the right, make a further half a turn right as you step a small step forward on that right. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, into a sailor step, ending with touching the heel. So it's a behind, side, heel touch on that diagonal. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock, full triple turn off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel. Notice by virtue of its name, a full turn. Should you wish or need to try and take that full turn out, just replace it with a coaster step. So you can actually do forward rock, coaster step, cross, side, sailor, heel. Non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out in that section. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're actually doing the walkthrough. I will be doing the coaster step, so the non-turning version when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So from your sailor heel, you're going to bring the left back beside the right, cross the right over the left, hold. Then go into an extended vine to the left. You step the left to the side, cross the right behind, left to the side, cross right over, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, hold, then rock to the side on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then. Bringing that left back beside the right. 7, 8, and cross, hold, and behind, and cross, and touch, hold, side, rock. Add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel, and cross, hold, and behind, and cross, and touch, hold, side, rock. Add on a couple of samba steps. So you're going to cross the right over the left, rock to the side on the left, and recover, and repeat with the left foot leading, cross left over, and rock to the side, and recover. So 2 samba steps. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left into some heel switches. So you bring the right beside the left, touch the left heel forward, left beside right, touch the right heel forward. That set of steps once more then. Sambas off on the right. 7, 8, samba step, forward rock and heel. Add that to the top. Forward rock, full triple turn off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel, and cross, hold, and behind, and cross, and touch, hold, side, rock. Samba step, forward rock, and heel. On the and count, you're going to bring the right back beside the left, rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Shuffle half a turn to the left over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. So you should hopefully be back facing the front wall. You're now going to make a further quarter of a turn to the left as you point the right to the side, and another quarter of a turn to the left as you point the right to the side again. So you end up facing the back wall, ready to start the dance all over again. That set of steps once more then. Stepping that right beside the left into that forward rock. 7, 8, and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, point, point. Now by doing that half shuffle, the step, pivot, half, and those 2 points, you are doing the equivalent of 1.5 turns in that section. Should you need to try and reduce that, best thing to do is take out the first 2 turns, just leave the points in there. So what you can actually do, start off the same as everybody else, and forward rock, recover. Then instead of your half shuffle, just shuffle back on the left. Then rock back on the right, recover, and then you can add on your point, point. Takes out that full turn, leaving you with just half a turn to do. So non-turning steps, should you need to reduce the turns in that last section. Otherwise, that is the end of the dance when you get to that part, so let's put it all together. Forward rock, full triple turn off on that right. 7, 8, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, hold and behind and cross and touch, hold, side, rock, samba step, forward rock and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, point, point. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Forward rock off on that right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Forward rock, full triple turn, off on that right. 7, 8, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, hold and behind and cross and touch, hold, side, rock, samba step, forward rock and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, point, point, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, and behind and cross and touch, side, rock, samba step, forward rock and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, point, point. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 restarts in this dance. They both come in the same place, which is after 16 counts. So they come on walls 3 and 8, both of which are your 12 o'clock walls. So once you've done your side rock, you do your sambas, you restart with your forward rock, full triple turn. So let's take you up to 16 counts and restart the dance. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, full triple turn, cross side, sailor, heel and cross, hold them behind and cross and touch, hold, side, rock, restart, forward rock, full triple turn, cross, side, sailor, heel. So hopefully you can see where those restarts fit in. So walls 3 and 8, both of which are your 12 o'clock wall, after 16 counts. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Dirt bikes on weekends and trucks we take drifting. Yeah, that's what we call toys. Old boots and blue jeans, no, there's no mistaking. We were a country boy. No city inside, dirt road for miles. Yeah, it was a hell of a life.
5, 6, 7, 8. Forward rock and forward turns, cross side, sailor, heel and cross, behind and cross and touch, side rock, samba step, forward rock and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, push, forward rock, social turn, cross side, sailor, heel and cross, behind and cross and touch, side rock, samba step, forward rock and heel, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, push, forward rock, to restart wall. Restart, forward rock. And cross. Sambas.
Just what you did. You grew up like this. As one of them country boys. Yeah, we
Forward rock.
Friday nights we were chasing them and girls we liked. We were just some kids hanging out in the middle of nowhere. We were spending some swinging in that creek. No, we didn't have much, but we had all we needed. It wasn't our choice. I'm thankful I was one of them small town Macarel country boys. Yeah, one of them country boys. Yeah, one of them country boys.
The next restart wall. Restart.
Girl we like, just some kids hanging out in the middle of nowhere, just like when we were spending summer swimming in that creek. No, we didn't have much, but we had all we needed. It wasn't our choice, our choice. I was for them small town, not their own country boys. One of them country boys. One of them country boys. One of them country boys. Yeah, one of them country boys.
Hope you managed that one.